So this video is going to be about moving to a particular place. In this case, it's Denia. This is not about the TIE or getting that or anything like that. This is just purely, you've got that sorted out, you've decided to move to Spain, and Denia is one of your first choices. I will be going to other places. The next place I'll be going to is Gandia. I've had several people ask me about Gandia, so I will be going there. And I'm going to start off this with property prices. Now, the property prices here vary greatly. You can get an apartment, two-bed apartment, for 70,000 euros. This is June the 16th, 2022. So, you know, those prices could change. You can get what they call a small bungalow here, which is a small house, one floor, two bed, and even that you can get for 80, 75,000. And obviously you can go the full gambit. You could spend 300,000, 400,000 if you wish. Depends how much money you've got. But if you're looking to come here on the cheap, then this is something that you can do. In reference to food prices here, yeah, things have gone up here, there's no doubt about it. Things have gone up, like they have all around the world. You can't out that inflation is running high everywhere, and I believe the inflation here is just the same as it is in England, Germany, United States, wherever you go. Everyone's having the same sort of prices. Interest rates are going up, and this can't be helped, I don't think. If it was one country, you'd think, yeah, maybe something to do with them. But it's not one country, it's all around the world. So, you know, that's totally different. There is an indoor market here, and that's a good place to go for your fruit and veg. You can get your hams there, you can get your cheeses there, you can get meat there, and of course you can get fish there. There's a fish part of the market you can go to, which is right at the very end. And that's open 6 days a week from 8 a.m. till 1500, 3 o'clock in the afternoon. So plenty of opportunity to go there to buy your stuff in bulk, I would say. It's not somewhere you go every day, it's somewhere you go once a week to buy what you want, which is going to last you for the week. For the week. Here we have a bus station and we have a train station. Now the train station's been under some completion. They took all the lines up and they've been redoing it for years. And I'm not 100% sure whether it's running, but it usually runs all along the coast up to Benidorm, around that area. In the town hall here, they have a department just for foreigners. So whether you're Dutch, whether you're German, whether you're Chinese or anything else, they have a department. So, you know, you could go along to the town hall, make an appointment if you've got any issues, and obviously talk to them about the issues you have. But be very careful here. Bureaucracy works slowly, and there's a lot of it. They love their paperwork in Spain. So don't be in a hurry to do anything, because it won't do you any good. You have to do it at their pace at their pace only. So just be very fully aware of that. Income tax in Spain is higher, definitely higher than the UK, and it's definitely higher than a lot of other European countries. So look into that as well. Check that out, especially if you feel that you're going to be paying tax when you're here. So you're fully aware of that. Siestas, they still have siestas here. There was talk about a long time ago about finishing siestas, working through the day like normal countries do, but Spain likes its tradition and they will continue to do it. So I don't expect that to change anytime soon. And you'll find that on Sundays, most stores are closed. You'll find the odd store that's open, but the majority of the stores will not be open. So be aware of that. And don't forget, it's warm. Today it's 30 degrees and it's been like this for some weeks now. But just remember, in the winter it gets very cold. The houses, the apartments are very cold places to live, and that's why people like to live outside most of the time. So be aware that, you know, you're going to find it cold. It's not always hot. So just be aware of that, okay? The one thing they do in Spain is they love to dress their roundabouts up. And this one's got loads of plants, lighting, some big palm trees on it. And they love doing all that. And it's also got a some kind of water feature in the middle as well, which is off at the moment. But you can see it there, look. And they, as I say, they love doing all that here. One thing I didn't mention on the other side of these notes that I've got is schools. Now, there's a website called Denia.com, and you go on that website and you will find out all about schools, private ones, obviously public schools. All the information is there. So just go on to. I'll put this in the description box so you won't forget it, and that's what you need to do. So, what about things to do? You know, what about, you know, what do you want to do when you're not working? If you have to work if you come to Spain. Well, beautiful beaches here, of course, like most of the beaches. You have got sand, but you have got stones as well. There's a stony beach as well. So it depends what you like. The sand is lovely, as it always is. And the beaches here are very safe. You can walk up to your kneecaps, and you know, you're so far out, it's quite a long way. It's quite surprising. So that it's quite safe, very, very safe. Restaurants, bars, loads. It's got to be, well, I don't know, 100 or 200 restaurants in Denia. It's absolutely solid with them. Restaurants, you know. So I'm in the Marqués de Campo at the moment, and here we have loads of bars, loads of restaurants, and this is just one road. They are all over Denia. You have the port, you have the marina, you have everywhere. There's so many places to go to eat. You have the castle, the Castile, and that's well worth a visit if you've never been there. I'm sure if you've got visitors, you'll take them up there. The views up there of the town are fantastic, really are fantastic. So on the quay you have the old fishermen's market, which is now a museum. That's worth going to as well. It gives you the history of Denia going back a long time. There's a place called... This was the old fish market, which is obviously right on the quay. It was perfect for landing fish and then taking them inside here and preparing them ready for sale. But a number of years it was closed, and they moved the fish into the market in the centre, and now it's a museum. It's a museum all about Denia, so this is well worth a visit, and we'll have a look inside. There's a place called Magazinos. Now Magazinos has so many restaurants in it, it's unbelievable. It's got everything you want to eat there. It's got Chinese, it's got Japanese, it's got pizza, it's got burgers, it's got everything. So that is worth going to. It used to be a toy factory. Yeah, many years ago it used to be a toy factory. It's owned by a local Spanish restaurateur, and he has lots of restaurants. This is just one of the outlets that he has. You could get the ferry to the Balearics as well from here, which is quite popular, and that runs all the year round. That's pretty good. So anytime you want to go across there for a break, then you have the opportunity to do that. It's right on the doorstep. They also do cruises around Denia, the outskirts of Denia, looking at the coves and places like this, and they do like sunset cruises, sunrise cruises, all this sort of stuff. So a lot of that's going on as well, and obviously you've got other water sports as well, so you've got a full gambit of water activities. Obviously you make your own fun as well, but people like to sit around on the beach, people like to go out for lunch. This is the main things a lot of people do. I like to do a lot of walking, so I do lots of walking every week, which I enjoy. Keeps me fit as well in my old age. So it's up to you what you want to do, but that gives you a brief outline of what Denia's about. And it's a nice place to live. It really is a nice place to live. I'm sat here now in the middle of the high street because it's a precinct, pedestrian precinct. It's been like this for some time now, and it's just very relaxing. And you can people watch all day long if you wish. Anyway, that's it for this video. I hope you've enjoyed it. I hope it's been informative for you, the people that are thinking about moving to this area. And if you enjoyed it, please subscribe, please ring that bell. Okay, ciao, thanks, bye.